Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, the weekend is back. All right, you all enjoy, have fun, and be safe. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and today I got an awesome, and I do mean awesome, free watch face for you all to check out. You're gonna love this one. So after the video, make sure you download this. Matter of fact, make sure you share this one with others. All right, you all, let's go ahead. Let's talk about this watch face. First of all, the name of it is called Blue Beehive. There's two versions of it. One is a paid version and the other one is a free version, so be mindful of that. But in the always on mode, which is one of the most unique looks I have seen in a while, it's got a wine glass up there at the top. What's going on with that? I thought that was pretty slick. And then maybe you might see a moon the next day. Maybe you might see a sun. I don't know. But I thought this was definitely different for AOD. Awesome. But when the watch face is on, yes, you do get a beehive look. I like the layout. I like that you get your digital time, very legible, and it gives you all your info on your steps and exercising. So here you get step info. Over here, calories burned. You get animated seconds. You also get your date right there. Down at the bottom, of course, that's my battery, which is depleting very quickly. And then you got shortcuts that's going all the way around the bezel of the watch. One thing I do like is that if I want, I can make a phone call, which is very nice. And I got to wait for this to, there you go, cut off. If I tap here, I can get info on floors climbed. Let's go here. This is my heart rate. I mean, tons and tons of shortcuts, people. Here, I can get my weather. I think weather is important, definitely. If I tap here, come on, get my workout info, and here, because this here, that's just for show. Okay, let me tap here. Or is it here? There you go. And I get my music player. So I thought this was definitely a good look, worthy of the download, but that's not it. Let's check out the color customization of this watch face, right? So I'm gonna double tap in the middle. I like this look. I don't know why. I like it. It kind of gets rid of the honeycomb thing, and what you get is pretty much a black and white watch face. I'm loving this one, and I'm gonna double tap again. And let's just cycle through all the different ones that this watch face has to offer. Kind of changes up. I like the difference in design. It kind of gives you more than one watch face look in one watch face, which I thought was awesome. We're going to cycle through all of them, just give you an idea of what you're in for when you go into the Gear Manager store and download. Guys, I'm telling you, this is a beast of a smartwatch, definitely to be free. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.